All right, let's roll, boys. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, wow. Man, I don't trust anything. I kind of, whoa. I lost a lot more money than I thought I was going to. I kind of took that trade willy nilly, and I didn't think I was going to lose that much. What the heck? How did I lose that much? What the? It's like, what the heck, bro? Yeah, maybe I should just cut it there. Forget it. This is likely not going to work. So always, always the trade with small size works so well. Ah, shoot. I did not do a good job. The spreads on this are ridiculous. Man, I am not doing a good job. What? So again, we've got that choppy price action. It's unfortunately just what's going on here. You just can't get a good market out, Phil. Three eighty, 422. I got to get better. I failed to do exactly what I was planning to do, which was to buy off that support. Wow. You got to be careful. Oh my gosh. Okay, wait for a pullback. I'm losing way too much money. I got to size down. I got to size down. I'm just spending shares. What? Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's still a weak market. I could have caught that. It's very the price action is kind of all over the place on this one. A little shaky. Like nice move here, but a lot of shake here. Which makes it hard. Like that, like right there. And then the bid drops out like that. So this is something we got to be careful on. I'm down 469 on it. Yeah, the float on that is too big. That GBX is going, man. I just cannot. You just can't even get a penny with the market orders. There we go. I caught one good trade. I caught one good trade. It's getting extended. Ooh, double top. I'm not used to this price action. This is very tricky. Tricky business here. Kind of feels like it's run out of steam up here though. Okay, back to this choppy mess. There we go. That first pullback worked tremendously well. and I was not in for it. 24,000 share seller here. That first pullback, I should have hit it. I just didn't trust it with how like erratic it was. Makes it hard for me to size up on it. And that's something I've learned over my years of trading is that that's the kind of stock that I want to tread very lightly on. Very lightly on that one. Sure, I can make a lot of money on it, but if you get into a big trade and it rolls against you on that one, you're going to get in trouble. Shoot. That one's also dead. Okay, we got to continue on with HGBX. Like, what the heck? You can't even. You have to hold it. You have to hold it. Yeah, I get what you have to do with this one. It's nice that it's starting to go almost parabolic. There it goes into a halt up. I got green on it. Wow. It's like, what the heck, dude? Is anybody killing it on this one? If you hold a little bit longer on this one, you'll be better off. I believe. Mm-hmm. Yeah. I just have a feeling I'm going to get absolutely obliterated on this ticker. If I what is this spaghetti about? Delete that. I just don't have a whole lot of profit on the week, so if I take a big loss today, it's going to be a flat week. Shoot. I traded that so terribly as well. I changed my frequency on my ladder to every 2. That's helping to visualize this a little bit. Yeah, you really got to hold it longer. but it's too late now. It feels like the run is over. We usually don't see a run like that. And, I mean, I shouldn't say that, but I was not expecting that today. In the first pullback we got, I didn't even execute at all very well. Like what? It was a clear 2-bar pullback. Like what? Ugh. Is this gonna fall into a halt down? Halt down 453. Shook there. Ah, you seems to be hitting resistance here. Dang it. Okay. Shoot. Flush. Yeah. I mean, it's just the market we're in. It's the market we're in. That sucks. And luckily, I'm just back to break even, but I did have $500. 550. Hmm. I had 500. Now I got nothing. But it's just that's SGBX, and at least that's SGBX today. These patterns have not been working that well lately. I'm sure this is coming down as well. Really? Trying to see if we get a W pattern here. I have low hope about it. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's gonna work. No, it's not working. GBX. What the heck? I have to cut it. I have to cut that. It's just a choppy thing. This one. It's now or never, boys. There we go. Now I got some money. That should have ripped when I got in it. Had to get out. This thing is just a little bit of a knucklehead. Just a little bit of a knucklehead. Mm. Was that going to 580? AXTI? I was gonna get some from my car, and then I saw the Amazon lady show up to drop a package off. No way am I walking out there saying good morning to her. Ah, shoot, maybe I should. It's a little awkward. Well, she was bold enough to even pull into the driveway. Now I gotta really wait for her to leave. Should have tipped her $100. Make her day live in the Trading Farmer Show. I don't know, I'm getting sort of done with this garbage. There we go. Now we got a little. Now we got a little bit of money. Can we keep it in our pocket though? That seems to be really hard with this stuff. Dude, and she's just sitting there in her car in the driveway. Like, what is she doing? Gotta go out there. That was terrible. It's just a slow market, so I don't want to try to be a hero today. You don't want to try to be a hero on a day like this. Heroes on days like this turn into, I don't know what they turn into. What did I get, you ask? Dude, I need to get better. I need to get better. I saw this. It was $100, so it was a little expensive. But I had a problem with my credit cards being all hard to get out. I don't know if I'm a fan. It's supposed to be a wallet with a credit card popper deal. Anybody got one of those? Okay, I'm not really so sure what the future of this ticker is. It's certainly not a very fun ticker. Probably have just taken that profit on that pop. Should have just sold right into that pop. $52. We'll do Sana. That's what I already do, Sana. That's the basis of the 50-50 is to sell every pop. It's once you get more experience that you do sell a lot of the pops, but then you start to learn that there's some trades that you don't want to just sell on the micro pop. But yes, Sana, what is true with SGBX, especially here in this consolidation, is it's most likely way wiser just to take the pop. The nice thing with this one is when it pops, it will pop 10, 20 cents. And so it's a nice one. Possible flush. I'm sold that pop purse on his rules, but maybe I should have held that. Mm. Well, for example, here, Jay, see how this is consolidated into this tight spring? It's like energy coiled up. What are we seeing up here? Rejection, 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 rejection. So to me, it when it comes low here, we're looking either it's going to break out up high or break out down low. And to me, because of the velocity that this thing moves, because of the fact that this doesn't look that great, it, it's a flush risk. Now, what it could do is flush and then rebound real quick and do a false breakdown. That can be a very powerful setup, especially on a stock like this that moves so fast. Like that dip right there. Let's try that with 900. Out. Yeah, I'm not so sure about it. It should have ripped up by now. So I lost 180 bucks, 170 bucks. I'm just gonna be careful here. Oh, look at that. Frick, dude. I don't know, man. Maybe I should just stop here. I'm sizing down big time, trying to preserve what I got. Because we're over a half hour into this thing. It's losing steam. Market's garbage. That's funny, AJ. I think we should all hit the Men in Black forget device for this week. Yeah, it's not the worst week I've ever been through, but it definitely was contending to be one of the slowest weeks. This thing's kind of erratic. It's just being walked down on this trend line here, on this descending resistance, just being walked down. So who knows? There could be a hedge fund that's got a million shares that they're trying to get dumped. Blair, Mike, how's it going? This might pop up here. Yeah, I guess not. So a little bit of nice. Oh, this could have been a nice trade. What's the float on AXTI? What is it? Where is it? AXTI. 42 mil. That's a little up there. Caught a little bit there. I don't. Yep. I should have held it, you son of a. Flush. Massive flush. I should have known. I should have known. I should have known. Oh man, I should have known. I tried to go for that first dip, thinking we might get that dip within the rip. Well, there's an example of dip within the rip going backwards. But what did I do? I cut it immediately, as fast as I could. That sucks. God damn it. Luckily, I did 1,800 shares, so I saved myself probably a little bit of money, maybe $300. So that was actually smart. I should have. Yeah, I might call it here too because that just pissed me off. Lost over half my profit right there. I had 1,300. It was looking good. Oh, that sucks. AXTI is an option. I'm going to look at HCTI for just a bit. I don't really, after that false breakout, that was pretty nasty, that flush. I don't know. I kind of have to put that on my naughty list. I don't trust it. Certainly it could come back to life, but if it doesn't and it keeps dropping, I'm going to beat myself in the head and be like, why did you try? It's such a terrible looking pattern now. Look at that. It's nasty topping tail. So there will be some rebounds on it. I suppose you could theoretically catch something. And maybe I will because HCTI is not moving. I'd probably have better luck over at AXTI. Buyers might be gone. Hmm. That's too bad, bro. Trying to see if we get a rebound on this one. Now what happened, Blair? After giving back the guy back. Yeah, I mean, SGBX is just it's not the best. It's not ideal. Ah, shoot, this one started to rebound without me. This one I missed totally. It looks like it's on backside. 30 cents. This one I missed as well. SGBX. What a day. No more bubble gum. I'm exhausted, boys. Exhausted. I don't even know why I bothered. Do 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 do. So we're waiting on an SGBX to see if we can get some bottom trades, bottom bounces. Yeah, there it is. It had a little bit of a bull flag there in the 1 minute. I saw it, but I was like, I don't know. Even if it does pop, I wouldn't expect it to go by much. I got $400 on the day, 450. So thank you guys for hitting the like button. We got 78 likes. Just another tricky market day. SGBX had a nice run. Like holy crap! But I want to stay with it because SGBX could come back. Lost all my profit. Took a big trade, and I just went short. Okay, I'm gonna hold the short. You rarely ever can go short. It's gonna rip. No, let's let it go short. Come on. I did not intend to go short. Are you kidding me? Well, that was kind of nice to go short there and then have it come back. And now I lost all my profit on the day. That would have been real nice to have a flush. Yeah, it's my new shorting strategy there. Totally planned. Frick, I just come over here to lose $380. I took it in a bad spot. Freaking SGBX. Oh my gosh, I keep going short now. What the heck? Get this off my screen. Oh my gosh. I had a green day. Now I don't. Yeah, I am missing SGBX. Freaking heck, dude. Now it kind of looks like flush. I'm an idiot. I got bored with SGBX, so I left it. Meanwhile, as I left it, it rips to the moon. High day break, maybe? I don't know. You can't trust it. Mm. I lost so much money on that up UPLD. Lost $500 on it. What the? Mm. Fun Cash Friday, yes. I gotta get my frankincense. Hopefully that will help me focus. Ah, man. Are you kidding me? Whoa. Whoa. Guess I should have just taken the profit I had. Wow. Too bad I have a $500 loss in UPLD. Sure enough. I don't trust it. It did come back to life. That 2 bar pullback was a dud. Ah. Gotta wait for it to drop a little bit more. That's what I'm gonna do. Yeah. It popped up. I had the right idea, but it did not continue. Doesn't take much to lose money on this. This thing, like when this thing gets into consolidation, it just chops and chops. I knew that was gonna go down lower, and I still bought. Okay, I gotta seriously think about pumping the brakes. I can't. I don't think I can go short on this one. Going short was a something that I could do on UPLD. Got to be careful with it. 90 likes, appreciate it. Uh-oh. That's not good. Probably just got shaken out. So wow, one trade you lose $100. Ah, shoot. I had the right idea here. No excuse, no excuse. Trading with fear. Shoot, man, if I was actually doing what I know I should do, I'd be up big. I'm just trading with a lot of fear because of the way the market has been just very choppy. Oh. Oh, don't tell me it's going to do another big rip. I can't buy up here. I'm not sold on it, but it does have a shot here of going. Five-minute looks good. So when we talk about watching that 5 minute, so we're talking about. Oh wow. Wasn't gonna miss that one. Sold kind of early. I saw that 691. It goes to 769. I sold a little too early. Sold a little too early. Okay, now this stock has a chance to really go big. And on a Friday, that wouldn't surprise me if we do see something absolutely massive on SGBX. Those pops are not something to be joking around about. That is a real deal. This thing's a pain in the balls. I can't believe it sold me at 691 and then it goes to 769. Did anybody get filled way up there? Or was it just me that got screwed royally? I totally missed that 100%. That was bad. That was bad. Now I'm frozen. Frick. I did not do that well. I knew that was gonna rip through. I knew it. It was so freaking obvious. I gotta get better. Dude. 980 could be next. Oh yeah, 980 could. God dang it. God dang it. Sana, I think you're in good shape. I'm gonna go. Okay. See ya. This could be what we need to turn this market around. This could be the turning point, this stock right here. Man, it doesn't take much to lose a lot. Shoot. What? A bunch of malarkey. A little bit too slow of entries and too slow of exits. All right. It's a double top. Okay. This thing, this thing is very frustrating. Where did I put my money? I don't know. I don't know if I want to use this. This could be the top. I don't want to get too aggressive up here. HCTI, that's a nice little rebound there. Yeah, low volume though, garbage. Wow. This trade right here, I'm bummed. I missed this trade. I messed up. It was not the best anyways. This could be the top. I don't know. I mean, this thing has gone up a notable amount. So this one could catch short sellers off guard if this is going to be the one that goes. Stupid. I got to size down. Wow. This either pops through or it flushes. Probably a flush right here is my guess. I don't know. Maybe that's it for me. I clearly suck at this. How come you? Well, Philip, it's not that they learned. It's the fact that they belittle. It's the fact that they are trying to sweep under the rug the truth of what this channel was to them. So all right, Blair, take it easy. I might walk too. It's like slow order fill. I better just take that. I maybe should have held that. Ah, shit. It keeps doing it over and over again, except I just can't get in my head to hold for the break. It's like, come on. It's like, how long did it sit here before you figure out how to day trade, bro? It's like, how much more is this thing gonna rip before you figure out how to day trade it? Breaking 9, I think I probably just missed it. Careful. When stocks hit the 99 and start to shit. Missed it. Slow fills. Should have sold market. I pussied out. Breakthrough 919, I'm sure of it, and I'm not even in it. I'm a freaking idiot.